Hello, this is an Avon order book. They change every so often, so this is the most current one. When you open up to the first page, there are instructions on how to fill it out. So you can always look there to get an idea. This is to show you in the video how to use the carbons. So it has all different information that you'd want to know about Avon in that first page. So this is the very first page that you need for the top page, I should say, when you're going to create an invoice. So you go into the back and you can take out the carbons here. You just rip them out. So the top copy here is going to be your copy. And then the second copy, you're going to do the purple side up. And the second copy, you'll see it has the note here. For purchases of $25 or more, you, the buyer, may cancel. That's just on there. And then the same thing with the next page. And you can make as many copies as you want. But if you go again, so if you want to make an extra copy, you still have one more carbon at the end of at the back of the book. So you can actually make an extra copy if you want. So let's say you're going to make another one, you can use that copy as well. But then you're going to you'll have some other pages that you could just throw away if you want an extra copy. So I would just say let's stick with the three copies. I'm sorry, the three. So you would use the top one as your record that you would keep for yourself. And that's the blank one. And then the next copy, the second copy, right here, would be for your customer. And then the third copy would be the one that you staple to the bag when you deliver the customer their order. You include it in their order bag. So just remember, both copies that are for the customer are going to have this note on them. And you'll see there's a service charge already included of 75 cents, but you could just cross that out and put your own service charge in here if you're going to charge more than 75 cents. There are some order books, since this is a current one, they include the 75 cents, but there were older books that did not have the 75 cents, so you could charge what you wanted to. So now what's going to happen is, because you have so it's basically the purple side always goes up and the ink side is always down. So now when you go to write, it's going to come out clear. Now what I always recommend doing is taking something like a plastic, like this plastic clipboard that I have here, and I put it between the layers. If you don't have anything that you can put in between that's hard, then you can just take the back cover off and use that. That's thick enough. And what's going to happen is you're going to write up the whole entire order. So you're going to put on the top here the customer name, their address, the campaign number here. And then you're going to put the page number, the quantity of the item, and then the product number, and then the description of the product, and then like just other description information. You don't have to necessarily put shade or fragrance and size. It's just whatever is going to help you know exactly what item it is that they're ordering. So if they're ordering a lotion, you might want to put the ounces so you know which one. Then you're going to put the price of each, and then you're going to put the total price. So if they buy 2 lipsticks for $5 each, you're going to put 10 here for $10. So this is where you're going to add up. You're going to add up this column here and get a subtotal. And then you're going to add your service charge. And then you're going to total that number. And then you're going to figure out what the tax is. And then that's what you're going to do, is you're going to put the amount due right here. Once you take the carbons out, then you can put other notes in here for yourself. Like you can write other notes on there for your own, because this is going to be for you to keep. So if you have their email address, you might want to put their email address on here, or maybe you want to put another note on here, like if you gave them a free sample or a gift or something, you could put that on here as well, because you're only going to see this one. But make sure the carbons are out when you write your note, because if the carbons are in when you write your note, the note's going to go right onto their copies. So that's how that goes. So if you're still confused about it, let me know. I'm here to help you. And talk to you soon. Thanks. Bye.